Good morning everyone, CryptoLemon speaking. Today is October 20th and we are in for a new daily crypto news show. So I'm gonna try to be real quick. I'll try to make this daily crypto news under 5 minutes. So let's get to it. We're gonna talk about the state of the market as usual. We're gonna talk about Ethereum 2.0 that seems to be going quite nicely. We're gonna talk about Uniswap's first government vote that actually failed for a specific reason that we'll talk about. And finally, I like to talk about two projects I really like. It's Splinterlands, which is a trading card game on the Hive blockchain. It's been one of the first, let's say, mass market crypto game. And their partnership with Brave browsers, a privacy focused browser that rewards you for the advertisements they showed to you in the BAT cryptocurrencies. The state of the market. So we are sitting at almost $370 billion. We've been up during the past 24 hours, especially for Bitcoin, if we compare to other cryptocurrencies that are actually down. So this is one of the first time for the past months is that we see Bitcoin moving up, but altcoins not following. So quite interesting. Ethereum still at $375 and overall a quite bullish market. So we almost testing the 12K. 12K is a really important resistance for Bitcoin, and a lot of people are anticipating if we break it, we'll go much higher. So let's see. We've past the moving 50-day moving average, as you can see here, and so it acts now as a support and no more as a resistance. This is also quite bullish. Volumes have been going up on Monday, which is also quite a nice thing to see, because it's been quite moving down over the past few weeks because of a lower volatility and BitMEX and OKEX and all this kind of issues we had. Return still, Bitcoin is on top of gold. And we're gonna talk about BTC locked in Harvest Finance. Harvest Finance is a DeFi project that was launched a few weeks back, and that actually worked quite well. And they just reached more than 10,000 Bitcoin locked on the platform. So this is quite bullish, and this is also explaining this. More and more Bitcoin and Ethereum are being locked up, and as they are locked up, people are not trading them as much as they were in the past, and so the volatility is going down. So overall, a lot of people are saying since the DeFi crash, it is true, we see since April, the volatility has been going down for both of these assets. So it should go forward as the DeFi space is still improving. Ethereum 2.0, everybody's waiting for it. We're expecting staking to go live this year. So this is just a short article saying that the developer Ben Edgington from ConsenSys basically said that it was ready to go live in a week, the deposit contract, the next few days, so this week, and therefore the Bitcoin chain Genesis should be live 6 to 8 weeks later. So this is really exciting and ongoing. So I will hold to this Ethereum, as we don't know how much up it will go if the Ethereum 2.0 is really working. Uniswap's first government vote failed. So this is interesting. It was actually a proposal to reduce the, it's kind of ironic, reduce the Uni government's proposal and quorum threshold, as they felt it was too high. So it was the metrics to propose a vote was to have 1% of all the Uni circulating supply, so 10 million Uni, and you needed 40 million total votes to pass. They did the vote, they just fell short, like 39.59 million votes for, but they didn't have the quorum. They didn't reach 40. So this is quite impressive. So the two, let's say, entities that tried to pass this proposal were Dharma, which is the biggest holder of Uni, and the other company, Gauntlet. And they would, what people said, they were for it in the overall sense that they would like proposal to be easier to pass. But the thing they were worried about is that if if this proposal passed, just Dharma and Gauntlet could collide and basically pass everything, as they will reach a new threshold, which will be only 3 million units to ask for a vote and only 30 million to pass. So as Dharma already has 15 million, you see they wouldn't need a lot more, especially if Gauntlet was with them. A lot of people actually did not participate in this vote, as you can see with the against not even reaching 1 million. It's because they thought the against part will not win anyway, and so they didn't want to waste probably gas fees or votes on this. So despite the huge turnout, 85% plus turnout with more than 95% support, it did not go through because of the threshold that was quite impressive. Last news, top crypto game Splinterlands now supports Brave's BAT token and vice versa. So the Web brother has entered a partnership with Splinterlands. They will both collaborate to increase adoption for the brother and the Splinterlands game, and Splinterlands will have some marketing action from the Brave team. So this is a really big thing, I think, as they are both like leaders in their space. Either in the Brave brother is the most used with almost 19 million users as of now, and Splinterlands is also one of the most played game with more than 5,000 active users. So this is a great news. I'll put my link. If you didn't try Splinterlands, you have to. Just cost something like $10 to buy all the packs to start, and then you can just earn cards or tokens. And they are just releasing a new update coming up very soon with lands and buildings, and it's just becoming amazing. And hats off to this great project on the Hive blockchain. So last thing, as usual, I'm gonna be annoying with COVID. COVID is going up like crazy all over the world, especially in Europe. We had more than 340 cases yesterday, and the thing that I'm worried about is that the country in Europe that were doing good, such as Italy, they're just trending back up, and it's getting out of control there too. Same for Germany. And so therefore it seems that Europe is thinking about going back in lockdown. Some countries have done it, as Ireland, and France, for example, is also thinking about it, if we hear the rumors in the newspapers. So this is all for today. Stay safe, be long Bitcoin, because it seems it's just on a roll, and be careful with alt, especially the smaller one, if we have financial markets retreating. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.